Governor Mike Sonko will have to wait a little longer to know the fate of his application to bar the EACC from arresting him. Through his lawyer, Cecil Miller, Governor Sonko also wants the EACC Director of Investigation, Abdi Mohammed, to step aside to pave way for his investigations in relation to allegation of corruption and economic crimes leveled against him in the petition in accordance with the provisions of the law. Justice John Onyiego directed parties to respond to an amendment notice of motion and certificate of urgency filed by lawyer Cecil Miller on behalf of Sonko. In the suit, Sonko accuses EACC and Mohammed of discrimination and open bias in the conduct of their investigation. Parties are now required to file and serve their responses to the amendment application by close of business on Monday the 2nd of December. Elsewhere, Sirisia Member of Parliament John Waluke got a reprieve after the Anti-Corruption Court declined an application by the prosecution to introduce new evidence in the 297 million shillings maize fraud case. In a ruling by Magistrate Elizabeth Juma, the court said the application by the state to introduce new witness in the case lacks merit and, if allowed, will reopen the investigations. The court instead faulted the prosecution for failing to record any statement from the intended witnesses at the start of the case, if at all it required the input of the witness in the case. The parties in the case have been given 14 days to make their submissions ahead of the hearing of the case on 15th of January 2019. Elsewhere, a man was charged with 4 counts of forging documents over a 2-acre piece of land valued at 70 million shillings. Patrick Ndisho Mbogwa denied the charge before Senior Principal Magistrate Stella Atambo and was released on a cash bill of 5 million shillings. In the same court, there was drama after one family started hurling insults and fighting over the death of a 1-year child who was hit by a car. Lydia Nduta was arraigned before Senior Principal Magistrate Stella Atambo, facing charges of causing death by dangerous driving at the EACC church along Rwaka Banana Road in Kiambu County. She denied the charges and was remanded awaiting her bail application. The court was informed that the accused had contacted the pastor of the church where the accident happened, trying to erase CCTV footage. For Scales of Justice, I'm Ben Troy Njue.